did an arcade basketball game.
We're basically simulating with LEDs an entry ramp, flow lights that you see on an entry ramp to regulate the flow of traffic.
We built a drawbridge. So we used 10 components. We used a PLC to program everything.
We did a two-level elevator.
We built a go-kart out of 4 12-volt batteries in series.
We have a pedal bike that we cut up and rigged together that's spinning an alternator. And that alternator is charging this car battery that we got.
Yeah. And we had to get it up to 2,000 RPM for the alternator to kick on.
So what we have here is a Rube Goldberg chain reaction machine, basically kind of simulating a manufacturing facility. So you go from your manufacturing, eventually you're gonna have to take a break. So we have a restroom, and then we have a prize for potty.
So for my project, I did music reactive lights.